Morning everyone, here we are off on a hike, Penny Fan. So the team today is me, Ricky, and we got Tom. So we're just gonna head this trail, see where it takes us. Let's go people. Got a new little handle on the stick as well, just to make it a little bit better. For those of you who have a stick, these guys ain't. They wish they had one. Trust me, in about an hour's time.
I've got boobs in this.
It's all paths, mate. This whole hike is paths, mate. The whole lot, all of it.
That's the thing where they want to.
Yeah, boy. We're heading up there today. So this is the hard bit of the walk now, right at the start. Gotta get ourselves up there, get to the top, and then it's a lovely, lovely walk along that ridge line. And when we get to the top, we're gonna stop and chill. Woo! Fuck me! So, not at the top yet, but it's safe to say I'm fucking blowing out my arse. But it's alright, because we've got Ricky setting the pace, got Tom behind us. It's making me feel good. Just gotta keep going. The reward is up there. I am sweating like a PRG. What a fucking day. Beautiful. I mean, who the fuck laid these stones? Who laid them? I mean, I can barely walk up here with my pack on my back. Yes. Almost there, geezer. The reward's at the top, mate. What a way to spend your bank holiday. Breathing out your arse. Oh, here's a pop. Again. We're nearly there, aren't we? And that's the reward, people. First little beacon. Appears the sheep like it as well. Get my hand on top of that bad boy. Up there, above that ridge there, there's a little peak, that's Penny Fan. So I think what me and the boys are going to do now, I think we're going to find a nice little spot to sit down and chill for 5 minutes. Right then, so that's our first little lunch in the belly. That's the view. Now we're heading up there. Get ourselves back on the trail. Tom's getting his cream on, getting all sexed up.
Yeah, baby.
Let's do it, baby. Tell you what, the higher up we go, fucking windier it gets. Jesus. Look at this, look, everything about this walk is different. See, you've got sand for Christ's sake. But you can see, look, all the trails of all the water comes down here. Flows down. See it all down there? Look at that. Look at that. Fucking, oh my God. Fucking amazing. God, man, people, look, if you're looking for something to do with your time now, after lockdown, seriously, this is a beautiful country. Don't worry about it. You don't have to go abroad. Everything you need is right here. Fucking beautiful. Look at that. Stunning. Where's Tom? Shit, where's Tom? Oh, he's back there. Look. You all right there, Tom? You all right? Can you wave? Feeling the burn, baby. Getting closer to Penny Fan. So to be fair, this whole walk pretty much got a path. You wouldn't really need like a map or an apps or anything like that. Well, to be fair, you can't really use apps anyway until you get halfway up the mountain. But yeah, this is a nice walk this is. So I think it clocks it about 10, 11 miles, something like that. If you are thinking about doing this hike, it's an easy one to follow. Mate, I love that. Proper in the valleys, that is. Tom with his stick, loving the stick. Feeling it, Tom? It's a good stick, isn't it? It's beautiful, it's a bit pissed, but you know.
Literally sticking out the ground, didn't you?
Literally. Can't believe it. I like half an hour before as well, I was saying how I want to find a stick and carve one out. And I just stumbled across it. I just got a funny feeling that whoever stick it is going to watch my videos, they're going to see that stick and they're going to go, that's my stick. Well, don't worry if it is your stick, I'm looking after it. Tommy's today, because he needs it. Don't worry, it's in good hands. I'll stick some varnish on that baby. There's our target. As you can see, it's getting a bit busy, quite busy now. There's a lot more people about. See you at the top. Get some Gatorade. Walk to the summit, nearly there. My legs are loving this. Oosh. That is mad. So, goodbye sunshine. Walking into the cloud. Bit of a downside to getting to the peak after that hard work. You've got a queue to touch the top. It's a bit of a poke in the eye, but you know, at least we get a rest and it'll be worth it. What they call paragliding, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's Penny Fan, just behind us. Can't quite see the peak. There's Tom as well. He's got my stick. He's loving the stick. He's taking guitar in it. So the next plan is that beauty up there. It's going to be our last one today now. I think that's called Cribyn or Cribyn. We're not going up Fanny Big today. I think that'll be a bit too much for us. Maybe next time. But we're going to hit this one now. See how we feel when we get to the top. Probably have another little sit down for 5 minutes and then have a nice long hike back to the van, which is going to be beautiful. It's going to be stunning, that will. I'm looking forward to that last little leg. Here we go. Start of the next one. More people enjoying the day?
Yeah.
Having a little break before you go to the top?
Yeah, this is the last push.
This is it, same for us. We're going to hit this one and then
Down the Roman road.
that's it, down back.
I'm not going to do the last one.
Oh, is that called the Roman? Is that what it's called then? Is it the?
Well, that's what the warden in the car park said it was a Roman road.
Oh, okay then. Excellent. Well, that's interesting.
But there is another one more after this one. But
Oh yeah, I think we're going to stay. We're going to avoid that. I've got quite a long drive home, so nice one. Anyway, have a nice day. There we go. So that's where we're going now. Let's do this. Ready, Tom? Yeah, and to you as well. Let's do it. Just gone halfway past. And that early enthusiasm that I had at the bottom, I think I left it down there. Man, I love this. Absolutely love it. So, just got to keep pushing and pushing till you reach the top. The reward you get when you reach the top, it's all about that reward. There's Tom, there he is. He's down there. Still got the stick. Still going. See, that's what I love. Still, it's still hard, still tired. He can turn around, back up, but he's not. He's still going, yeah? Till we reach the top. He knows, like we all do, that's where the reward is. I'll be honest with you, I think the view's better from this one. Do you know what I mean? I know obviously we had the cloud and all that a minute ago. Do you know what I mean? But you know, like when you was up here, this is not like that.
if we didn't have the cloud, we'd have to see down there.
Yeah, see down here, but do you know what I mean? Now you can look at it, you know? I think that's a prettier mountain than this one we're going up, but we're going to get a better view coming up here. Fucking check that out for a view. Come down, Cribyn, however you say it. I apologise if I'm wrong. So it's that baby there. Let's come down from there. So the plan was to head on the path that way, back to the car. But Ricky Yes, Rick. He's convinced us to climb Fanny Big. It would be rude not to come all this way and not climb up her. That's our target now. Let's see what type of views we get up here as well, yeah? So we're going up, and I've hit a thing called, I think you call it second wind. For some reason, I'm not blowing out my arse. I am taking little steps, as always. Little baby steps. But I'm not blowing out my arse anymore. Could have been down there on that lovely path, flat path, and walking home. But no, we decided to hit Fanny Big. And I'm glad we have. I can't believe this, I feel like I'm actually breathing okay. It may sound like I'm breathing hard, but I ain't. I feel good. Looking forward to that KFC on the way home. Other chicken branches are available, of course. So I will be having KFC. What are you saying, Rick? We nearly there? That's the view from Fanny Big. So just when you thought you got it all done, and you're gonna jump on a nice little path down the mountain, nah. So obviously we're not doing this by a map, and we're pretty much following a path. So if it hasn't got a path, we're not going that way. You know, there's no point, because it's obviously harder work on your legs and stuff like that. On this particular walk, it's the path's taking us up here now. So got another walk, another bit more to do. I'm not gonna lie, I'm buzzing. I'm well happy about it. Get to see a bit more. So I don't know what this part's called. What a hike this is, I tell you. This is epic. Let's just hope there's a path that takes us back to the van, eh? Started from down there, somewhere. I think it's further. It's around there somewhere. Walked the way up. Walked up there. Proceeded. On every single peak on the way back as well. Look at that, now look at what we've done. Now we're getting lower down. Yeah, I missed it! I missed it!
Unlucky.
I said to Rick, do you know what I said to Rick? I'm going to keep filming him because he's going to stack it in a minute. He's going to slip down there with trainers on. And I took the camera off him for a second, mate. He's got wet feet now, but it'll keep him cool. And that's why you wear boots on a hike. Oh, Ricky nearly went. Ricky nearly went then. Looks like me with the hiking boots. Doing all right. Famous last words though, eh? I don't think this is a path, but there seems to be a path of some sort that people come down and they realise they've took the wrong way. So we ain't the first, and I'm sure we ain't going to be the last. To be fair, I like it. Oh, hello. What's down here? What we got here? It's got to be so careful. Oh, it's a bit foggy, Rick. You're alright though, mate. You're alright, Goose. That's not bad. He's alright. He's got spare socks in the van, isn't you, Tom? He's got spare socks. There we go. See? Buzzy. I mean, he might have to wash his shoes because they're going to stink of fucking sheep piss. And shit and stuff. So he might have to wash his trainers. So yeah. Anyway, that's the last. This is the last leg now, really. We're just getting down here. Well, it's not the last leg. The second to last leg, I'd say. Just going to get away down here and go from there. Look at that. It's beautiful, people. That's why we do it. And there's the path, you can see it. Literally, just there. Epic though. It's time, Rick. It's time, mate. 10 past 3. I'm happy with that. Fucking epic, mate. The lower you down you go, the more epic it looks, doesn't it? Back to where we started. That's where we've started our journey. And we went through there, followed that path up there, and now we're back here again. Heading back to the van. But what a feeling, what a feeling. Car park is literally just down there. I'm not gonna lie, I fucking can't wait to get in that van. Woo, legs are feeling it. Just see it up there in the distance, penny fan. Just up there in the distance. Fucking epic hike. Epic hike. So finally, we've reached the van. I'm looking forward to see how many miles we've done on this one. So we've got all the peaks in today. There's the van, baby. The car park's around. That's why you get to the car park nice and early. I can feel it on my legs, I'm not gonna lie. Fucking legs are burning. And I mean sunburn burning. They've got the Cribyn. I think that's what it is, I'm not saying it wrong. Fanny Biggin and the other one as well. So that's Will, Rick and Tom up there. Goodbye people. Have a good one.